In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find your PIN in Roblox. Roblox has replaced parent PIN with Roblox accounts with parent privileges to make it easier for parents and caregivers to manage their child's Roblox experience. By linking your account to your child's, parents can view and update parental controls for their child all from their own device. So here's how you can find your PIN. On your browser, search for roblox.com/support and open it. In here, you'll see the Contact Us page where you need to enter your details like your username, first name, email address, and confirm your email address. After that, go to the issue details. Select the device you're having the problem or the device you are using. For now, let's select PC. For the type of help category, select the age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Next, select the sub-help category. Choose what issue you have, but for now, let's select Adjust Child Privacy and Security Settings. After that, enter the description of issue. Explain the things that you want to address to them, such as your PIN or your parental account settings on your Roblox. Make it professional as possible and the description must be clear. Once done, click on the Continue button and if prompted, simply verify or enter the verification code sent to your email and follow the next steps that will show up on your screen. That's about it.